Alright guys, let's see the unboxing of this MI home security camera. In the box we can see a small box lying on the top as well as the manual. This IMI brand is one of the subsidiary company of Xiaomi Corporation. So the mobile application made by Xiaomi is fully compatible with this device. The camera looks really nice. Also, this camera has 360 viewing angle. It can rotate. Also, it can tilt. Also, you can insert a 64 GB micro SD card to the camera as well. It does have a micro USB port to give power as well as a small reset button in case if you want to reset the device. Inside that small box we can see the power adapter as well as the micro USB cable which will power up the device. And also you can see that wall mounts as well in case if you want to hook the camera under a roof. The power adapter is 2 ampere with 5 volts. And after unboxing, this is how all the equipment looks like. Now let's power up this device and see what we can do. Alright, I have connected the cable to the power adapter and let's turn on the switch. We can see an orange light is lit. Seems like the camera is calibrating. Now let's see the application setup. You just have to scan the QR code inside the manual, or else you can go to the Play Store and search for MI Home application and you will get the same. Once you have installed the application, you have to sign in. If you don't have an account, just use your Facebook account to sign up. I'm using my Facebook account for that. Once you sign in, you have to add a new device. Make sure you have connected the device and device is turned on. Then you can see the device. Just click it. Afterwards you will get a prompt to connect it to Wi-Fi. Connect it to a non-Wi-Fi and enter the password. Then you have to scan the QR code in the phone using the camera you have. Guys, wanted to add something more when it comes to the pairing phase of the camera. When you show the QR code to the camera and if it is not getting recognized, there are 2 to 3 things that you have to consider. First of all, take the camera near the router and try it again. It might get successful. Then the second one, check in the router settings that it has 2.4 gigahertz enabled, because this camera only supports 2.4 gigahertz. And the third one, this is not securely much wise idea, but worth giving a try, which is put a simple SSID to your Wi-Fi network like ABCD and a password as well, 12345. Then try it again. It might get successful. Just point the QR code to the camera and it will be registered. Then you have to add the name to the camera and you just have to select the room where it should be. And afterwards you will get the live feed of the camera, and also you will have a joystick below which can control the camera angle. Also you can see that call button at the middle, which is using to have two-way talk. That means the camera has a microphone as well as a speaker, and your phone has a mic and a speaker, so with the phone you can speak to the camera. And now I am checking the night vision capability of the camera. It does have that IR light as well, so in extreme dark also it can see. When it comes to a good light, then it will turn off that IR light.